That's alright.
Where did Baird and Cole go?
They went to go defend the car.
Welcome back to Gears of War. I'm still here with Gray. He hasn't left.
Nope. I'm stuck.
He never left.
I've been here for the 2 weeks we haven't recorded.
Yep.
They only feed me Cheerios and water.
That's true. It is true.
But that's okay.
We found out that there's an entire map of the Hollow. And now Baird and Cole's being babbies, so we have to go save them.
Yep. Saved them baddies.
I hear gunshots already.
Those are our rifles as well. And short bows.
Look who decided to show up.
Look at them goggles.
Those are nice goggles.
Bring it on, baby! Cole and I'll go protect the APC while you wait for Jack. Keep them out of the house.
So they're not even going to help us once we come to their rescue. Dirty bastards. Is there another window I can cover? No, there's not. So we both have this one window.
Oh, there's a window.
Oh, well, here, I'll take the pen. Battering ram?
He has a battery.
Kill that.
That was... he killed himself.
I'm down. I think an explosion went off under the house. I think he was a suicide random.
It was, and they are in the house.
This is bad with the sniper rifle, as I remember. That's okay. Killed him. Oh, shit. We did a really good job defending the house.
Yeah, it's been defended pretty well.
Yeah. To be honest with you. Only every single one of them got in.
Yeah.
You got him.
I did.
Oh, come on. I hit him right. You saw that, right?
Yeah.
He's chucking grenades.
Ow. Don't die now. Give me a burger.
Shut up. They're up the stairs. I'm down.
You're good to go.
There's a bow. Take care. We're not.
There's so many of them that got into the house.
That's alright.
Where did Baird and Cole go?
They went to go defend the car.
Hope they're doing a better job of defending the car than we're here defending the house.
Seriously. We got him.
Grenades.
So you defend the stairwell, and I'll see if I can't defend this. Where's that stairwell coming?
There's one of them on the second floor.
Oh God. Okay, I'll help you.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh God, no! Shooting me. I got him. And you're out of ammo.
I got the snub.
Oh, good. I was worried for a second.
Back to the house.
Good, back of the house now.
How do we defend the back of the house?
I don't know.
Where is the back of the house? Oh, here. No.
Shit.
Oh, that way.
He got lit up. We'll have to get one of their weapons.
Good to go.
I'm guessing it's this way.
I'm gonna take the bow. The bow's and the sniper.
I got a checkpoint, so I'm going to assume I'm going in the right direction.
Yeah, I spawned towards you, so... We good.
Yeah. It's very cobwebby in here.
Guessing you don't clean your house much.
Nah.
There's more ammo right next to you.
There is.
Oh, well,
Do you need it?
That's the small one. I'll take the small one, you take the big one.
On the back of the house. Wow.
Oh, you can use the torch bow to close up the hole.
My grenade down, try over that.
Not good.
Nice.
Well, at least I closed up the hole.
You did. I don't see any more down there. How do we get down there?
What's that?
That's, oh, you gotta shoot that. It opens the door. Maybe it doesn't open the door. Maybe I was wrong.
We just... No?
Well, I can just kick the door open.
How'd you get down there?
Oh, that way.
Look out, you have a pistol!
Grub.
It's downstairs.
Yeah, then turn right. Right there.
So I don't have to worry about closing up these holes now that I got, since we know the bow does it.
Yeah.
Everybody move to the APC now. The one that I fixed.
Oh look, another vehicle. Oh shit. First though, one touch is bad.
What was that?
30 seconds.
Just run for it.
Ten seconds.
We made it!
Yeah! Oh, whatever that was.
Yeah.
Yeah! That's yeah!
Achievements.
Sure, 60 achievements.
Yeah.
Were we in just one of these? Oh!
That's a big thing.
That's a broom hack.
It is.
Get your ass on that card.
Look, he has his own little compartment.
He does. It's like an R2D2 song.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Good stuff.
Dude, boys. Oh, see, your tank, your walking tank can't fit in those holes. That's how we escape. See, that's the thing. We need to make everything smaller.
Right.
I hope this is another driving thing.
Special delivery. This is the last. Yeah.
We gonna finish this. Sweet.
This is actually where we're gonna get on the train.
Oh, thank God. Oh no, the boss fight.
Yeah, you get to fight your way through the train too, I think, if I remember.
Snipers. Oh wait, I don't have to worry about snipers.
Get a target.
Should I pick up the sniper rifle?
Oh no. We're gonna be on the train here soon.
Oh, then I'll just... I'll keep the torch bow.
Cover!
I don't know where any of the enemies are.
Change all and stuff.
Change off.
Yeah.
One dead drop.
like us now. Come on, Cole. Kill somebody.
Almost there.
You are.
Another hole just opened up. Over here, and I have
I got you. I got your back.
I think I blew it up before you even pop out of it.
Good, but another one just opened up somewhere. Never mind.
Oh, the train's ready to go. Oh god, there's stuff everywhere. Oh god.
Get up!
You're leaving?
I don't know.
Don't do that. Just walk up to the window and shoot. Woo! Good fire. Shit. Oh man. I think I got torque mode right at that moment too.
Yeah. Oh, get ready to jump. Oh, I forgot. There's a berserker on this train.
I've got a torque mode.
You can hammer it down.
Oh shit. We don't have one. Oh damn it! We lost our black guy and our blonde guy.
Yeah.
Damn it, we suck. We'll catch you right on Raven. Sorry, guys. It's okay. Anya, what are we looking at?
Okay, the bomb is at the front of the train, and there are plenty of locusts on board. You gotta get going now.
Let's move out.
Ah.
There's my secret chemicals. We'll be ready.
Okay, well I killed the dude with torque mode. You're welcome.
Got one.
Right in front of the train bullet.
So we haven't died much.
We haven't, but the boss fight is coming up. So
That's true. That guy's a little
so do I.
Got him.
Careful.
I'm getting good.
You're getting good.
Get out of the way. Damn it.
All types of good away.
I almost got you. With the torque bow. Fuck Chewbacca with this thing.
Chewbacca. What about Chewbacca?
Because I'm using a bow gun. I miss him. Two more.
No ammo.
You are straight up out of ammo.
There's ammo up there. In the round.
I think I completely wasted that. I got this. Where are these guys? Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
We've got
I'll let you
Nemesis
take
on
it.
the radar.
Yeah.
You need it.
That's not good. Move in.
I swear one of these guys
Damn it.
had... Oh, grenades.
Jack, open this door.
Open the door, Jack.
Great. Now what? Are you kidding me? Berserker!
He looks upset.
Oh, I think it's because we killed her sister. Oh my god, that train box is full of cereal.
Oh, that's heresy.
Anya, we're using the Hammer of Dawn right now.
Negative, Delta, you can't. Not with all those Nemesis thinking the sky.
Fine, we'll go to Plan B.
Ugh.
You got a plan
Look up.
Yeah, that was all that.
Hell no.
That's ink. So, what do we do?
God. I think we have to like cut one of the train cars off or something. I forgot how you do it.
Good, Jacob, good. Just
What?
Disconnect the car.
disconnect the car. Where?
Oh, I found a button. So we need to get her past us and then disconnect the car.
Oh, I'm stuck.
I don't even see her.
She's coming. She's coming.
Disconnect the car.
Okay.
Needs to figure out how
She's
to...
blind, damn it. Bitch, we are shooting at you. Yeah, like that. Come on, baby. You're past me. Yeah, come this way.
There we did it.
Piece of shit.
Eat the shit.
Yeah.
But we lost all that cereal.
That's
Contact.
my cereal.
Oh god, beavers. What are you just doing in the field?
We're chilling.
The door's open, Marcus. Move, quick.
No! I'm bouncing off stuff.
Do a barrel roll, quick. Like across Hyrule Field. Just run and roll.
Hoffman's picked us up. We're on our way. Affirmative.
I think we got... That's because we got 10 of those.
Probably.
You want to get that ammo, I'll let you. I'm good.
Alright, we'll go through the rest of the train the next episode.